Hello children, so this is the next video and we were doing exercise 1.1 and the sums I am just discussing some more, that's all. See, for example, the fifth one in fourth, which of the following APs find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. 3 plus root 2. See, that problem I am doing. 3 plus 2 root 2. So in order to get the common difference, what you should do? See, a2 minus a1 in that. So 3 plus root 2 minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 will cancel and you get root 2 there. Okay. So common difference you already got there. And 3 more terms, you have to write the next 3 more terms. So first is 3, then they have just gone adding, they have went on adding root 2 there because it is the common difference. So 3 plus root 2 was the second term. Third term was 3 plus root 2 plus root 2. So it became 3 plus 2 root 2. Then 3 plus 3 root 2. Then next will be again, just see the pattern there, how you got there. So next 3 terms you can write there. 4 plus 4 root 2 and 3 plus 4 root 2. So like that, I hope you have understood. It's very simple. When you see the terms, you will get there 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, 4 plus 4 root 2. You will get like that. You won't get 4, you will get 3 only. 3 plus 4 root 2. Okay. Then the sixth sum you see 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.222. That problem you see, you won't get the same common difference. At least 2 you have to see. A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2. You should see at least 2. You won't get the same difference here, common difference. So that will not be AP. Then come to the we have done such type of sums now. 0 minus 4 minus 8 minus 12. What is the common difference? Just minus any 2 consecutive numbers I have told you. So if I go now minus 12 minus of minus 8, I have to write minus 12 minus of minus 8. So what it will become? Minus 12 minus into minus plus 8. So that will become minus 4. So common difference we have already found. And you just go on adding to the terms. So minus 12 plus of minus 4. When you do that, you will get the next term, that is the fifth term, sixth term, seventh term. Up to seventh term you have to write in all these problems. So minus 12 plus into minus 4. So minus 12 minus 4, you have same signs here. So you have to add. So you have to add there and you will get minus 16. So then again I told already minus 16 plus of minus 4. So you will get minus 16 minus 4, which is equal to minus 20. Okay. So like this, I won't be doing all the sums there. Just turn the page. There are some important sums there. See, for example, the 12th one, 12th one, Roman letter 12th, root 2, root 8, this has come many times in the exam, root 18, root 32. What is the common difference if you want to see here? First, you have to simplify it. Last year, you have learnt about these irrational numbers. Root 8 means it will be 4 into 2 you should write. And next step, I will write 2 root 2. Because that 4 will come out as 2 and you will get 2 root 2. Similarly, root 19 means it is again 9 into 2. 9 into 2, that is 3 root 2. Then root 32 means it will be 16 into 2. Some pattern is there, you see there. So 16 means it will come out as 4. So 4 root 2. So first term is root 2, second term is 2 root 2. So 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2, it is equal to 1 root 2. So that is your common difference, D. Suppose you want to see the next two terms. 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2, which is equal to 1 root 2 you get, because 4 minus 3 root 2, which is equal to 1 root 2. So common difference you have here in this, and now you should be able to write the next terms. That you have to see the pattern here, then you will get the idea. So root 32 means it was 16 into 2. 16 into 2. Next will be 25 into 2. So root 50 it will be. Next term will be root 50. You should have lots of concentration. Now root 50. Next term will be what? 36 into 2. Why? 50 means a square has come there. 25 into 2. Then square root 32 means 16 into 2. So squares are coming there. So 36 into 2, which is root 72. Okay. So like this you can write the next terms, and this is quite an important sum. Then comes your, you see the ninth sum, 1, 3, 9, 27 dash dash dash. Of course you can just observe like this, it has no common difference. 3 minus 1 is 2, 9 minus 3 is something else only, 6 it is. 27 minus 9 is completely different. So you are not having common difference at all in this, and therefore it is also not an AP. Because the question, let us remember, which of the following are APs they are telling. So if you want to answer that question, you should see whether there is common difference. If there is no common difference, then it cannot be an AP, and surely it won't have any common difference also. Then what about the 10th one? 10th one is Roman letter 10. You see, it is A, 2A, 2A, 3A, 4A. In solution book, if you have already written, I think if you have written with the concentration, you will understand. Otherwise, it has to be explained. That's why I am doing it. Now A, 2A means A plus A. 3A means A plus 2A, or 2A plus A is 3A. 3A plus A is 4A. So what's the common difference here? The common difference is just A. 2A minus 1A, it is equal to 1A. So that is the common difference. Now 4A minus 3A, it is also common difference, 1A it is giving. So like this, and see the pattern here. A means that was 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A. Naturally the next term will be 5A, then 6A, then 7A. You have to be a bit clever also. By looking at the terms only you must be able to tell. Okay, then next one, the 11th is, it's not at all a AP. Why? Because A squared minus A will not be equal to A cube minus A squared. It won't be same. A squared minus A, if you go according to the algebra, this one, it will be A bracket A minus 1. And A cube minus A squared will be A squared, common factor there, A minus 1. Array, this common difference it is not having at all. So I am writing here, and I hope you understand. So it is not an AP. So like this, 13th one, root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. Just because it looks like the 12th sum, you cannot do like the 12th sum there. Root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12, never. The terms itself are telling, and those are irrational numbers, and you are not having common difference there, therefore it's not an AP. Then the 14th one, 1 squared minus 1 squared, 3 squared, 5 squared, 7 squared. See, if you just don't understand there, you can just simplify it. 1 squared is 1, 3 squared is 9, 5 squared is 25, 7 squared is 49. So the terms now they are very clear, but there is no common difference. 9 minus 1 is 8, 15 minus 9 is, 25 minus 9, it won't be 8. So it's not giving the same common difference, therefore it's not an AP. But what about the 15th one? 15th one will be, it is 1 squared, 5 squared, 7 squared, 73. the last they have given 73. But you simplify it, then you should do 1 squared means 1, 5 squared is 25, 7 squared is 49, then they have given there 73. Now when you have the numbers there, you just minus them. 35 minus 1 is 4, 45 minus 35 is again 25, sorry, 5 squared is 25, so 49 minus 25, you get 24 there. 73 minus 49 also when you do, you get 24. So there is a common difference there, 24. So therefore it is an AP. So I have just discussed today the exercise 1.1 and I have taught you all, and so I will not be able to do each and every sum like that. The other sums you can learn from, if you have to use your brain, and you have your solution book also, so you can I think you can do the other sums. But whatever it is, when the school starts and this I may ask you, I may come one day to school or whatever it is, you must write everything in your notes book. You have to write everything in your notes book. When the school starts, you must be able to submit all that. Whatever we have taught, you have to do. Okay. Now comes our next is the sums on the nth term. Okay, now I'm going to stop this because it is already nearing 12 minutes. I'll stop it. Okay, and go to the next video after a second.